This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious white sauce pasta using an easy method. We will cover everything from preparing your pasta perfectly to creating a rich, velvety white sauce. This recipe is designed to be straightforward, ensuring a delightful meal without any fuss. You will need just a few common ingredients, making it accessible for any home cook. Get ready to enjoy a truly comforting dish. First, let's get our pasta ready. Boil about 200 grams of your favorite pasta until it's perfectly al dente, which means it's firm to the bite. While your pasta cooks, we'll start our sauce. In a separate pan, melt 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter over medium heat. Once melted, stir in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Cook this mixture for about 1 minute, stirring constantly to create a light roux, which is the base of our creamy sauce. Now for the magic of the white sauce. Slowly pour in 500 milliliters of cold milk, whisking continuously as you add it. This gradual addition and constant whisking are key to achieving a smooth, lump-free sauce. Keep stirring until the sauce begins to thicken and comes to a gentle simmer. Finally, season your beautiful sauce with a generous pinch of salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a tiny dash of nutmeg for extra flavor. With your creamy white sauce ready, it's time to bring everything together. Drain your al dente pasta and add it directly into the pan with the sauce. Gently toss the pasta, ensuring every strand is beautifully coated in that luscious white sauce. For an extra layer of flavor and richness, stir in about 1/4 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Serve your delicious white sauce pasta immediately, perhaps with a sprinkle of fresh parsley or chili flakes. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.